हम ये जो ऑथेंटिक मोरालिटी है, वेयर कैन वी सोर्स इट फ्रॉम? सबसे पहले आप मुझे बताइए कि मोरालिटी जिसको इतना इम्पोर्टेंस दिया जा रहा है सोसाइटी में सब जगह,
Gitanjali, your
आपके
voice is not actually.
वॉइस इज नॉट
Internet is
क्लियर. इज इट बेटर
internet
नाउ?
is
इज इट
it's
बेटर नाउ?
no, it's good. Mhm.
तो अभी तक मैं ये बात कर रही थी मोरालिटी के बारे में. सबसे पहले मैं आपसे पूछना
Mhm.
चाहती हूँ, आप बताएंगे मुझे कि मोरालिटी जिसको इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस दी जा रही है हमारी पूरी सोसाइटी में, बहुत से क्राइम्स भी होते हैं इस मोरालिटी के कोट अनकोट अंडर, कि ये मॉरल वैल्यू से रिलेटेड नहीं है, तो बहुत सी दिल को दुख देने वाली चीजें होती हैं, एक्ट्स होते हैं. सो व्हाट इज ट्रू मोरालिटी? अगर हम स्पिरिचुअली इसको समझना चाहें, या ये मोरालिटी वर्ड आया कहाँ से?
Actually, if we talk about the morality, then it's going to be very complicated topic because for
डेफिनेट.
Gautam Dev, Buddha hitting ants is against morality, and for Sri Krishna and Guru Gobind Singh, killing men is morality. And that's
एब्सोल्युटली
why I
ट्रू.
love your topic. Your topic is so beautiful. You put the name of the topic is sourcing morality. Who is moral? Let's talk about who is moral and what is the source of morality. Let's take an example. An Indian woman is hated by her husband, and he is holding her fear and pain at the name of because husband is the God. So this morality, this sentence is the moral. It's by very nice concept. Your husband is God, your wife is God. But if you are doing just because of your fear, then all acts became stupid. So
सो
this
फियर
the
की.
top. So I want to say that question is not that what is moral. Question is who is moral.
एब्सोल्युटली.
Where the morality is coming from. Is coming from your fear, or your collective unconscious, or your real higher consciousness. And for me, higher consciousness is not mean that you lie down and watch, or it's not the higher consciousness for me. For me, higher consciousness is one who realizes his true nature. The only moral, the thing, whatever he will do is amazing, who knows who is he. That's why Kabir says, whatever I speak is Upanishad. However I sit is asana. However I breathe is pranayama. Whatever. Kabir is a thief, but he is amazing moral. Krishna killing people, but he is moral. So I want to invite people, let's check whatever you are following the rule. From which source it is coming? From who is doing it? Like you are saying, oh, I am loving my family, but who is loving family? Sometimes I have an example in my satsang today I was doing. That one father, he's saying, I love my son, so he was not loving. He invested his son, and in the old age he can help him. So outside it look like, oh, your father is helping you financially so much and this, but actually the intention of father is, it's like insurance policy.
So in a way that love is also conditioned by the society, right? So it's hung up somewhere. I'll quickly just, invite him once again so that we don't, miss the flow of the conversation. Let me just invite him once again. Yeah. Who? Generally takes, this glitch is always there in the live sessions. Hi, Remy. How are you? Hello. Very nice of you to be here. Now you
Yeah,
hear? Yes.
our Wi-Fi. So
We can just hear you. We can't see you. I can't see you.
can't see me now.
I can see just myself.
Now can you see me, Gitanjali?
Are you able to see me?
So I want to invite again with all the people who are watching that what is morality. Let's go one step more back and see who is moral. You are moral because of fear, then maybe you are, maybe it looks like you are doing very good thing, but it's coming from your active unconscious, what you have learned only. You are becoming a, you are doing things like a robot. And you are doing nice outside, but it's not moral. Moral means what is coming from your really true nature. So I want to invite all people who are here, check, check your really morality, where it is coming from. You have just learned by school and you are doing it, then you are not moral. Even you are doing amazing thing. And you see in the world, everybody is doing amazing thing and world is became hell. Everybody is spiritual. Everyone want to help other. Everybody is going to temple and mosque and gurdwara. Everywhere they are doing. Everybody want this world should be so healthy, so beautiful, nice. Then why people are so sad, sick, and whole earth is so pain position? Because the doer of moral is wrong. Doer is moral is not coming from heart, not heart. Heart sometimes the word heart became also a mind. Doer is not from the higher consciousness. Let's check it again. Now we can check now. Whatever we are doing things very nice. Find a one good thing what you are doing actually very nice, and really go inside and see and check yourself. What is the real intention of doing that thing? Real. Christianity are doing so much service, but actually the purpose is going to heaven. So all intention became so wrong. And for me, the higher consciousness means, like, can we do a practice, a, a meditation technique for 5 minutes? 10 minutes?
Absolutely.
Is it okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. Let me re-invite you because I'm sure like other people are able to see you, but I'm not able to see you. So the conversation is becoming little, just one-sided. Can I
So how?
re-invite you once again, please?
Yes. Okay.
I can see you. Let's do a small practice that we were talking about. We can see you, Yahoo.
Yeah. Thank
Yes.
you.
Let's do that small practice that you were talking about before we start the session.
If we can do 5 minute meditation, so then we can really connect and really we can talk. If you allow for 5 minutes to do a meditation.
Please do.
Yeah. Yes.
Let's do.
So the name of this meditation is see and be free.
See.
See and be free. So we are starting what we can see. We can see our body. However it is. However it is. Healthy, not healthy, what shape is, how tall is, doesn't matter. However it is, does not matter. Then thoughts, whatever it is, good, not good, right, not right, does not matter. It does not matter. Whatever thought is, does not matter. Then one step more behind, emotions, whatever it is, whatever, it doesn't matter. Happy, sad, excited, grumpy, annoyed, whatever it is, it does not matter. And behind this, I am, I, who is feeling emotions, thinking the thoughts, and using the body. This I am. And one step more behind now. What is behind? What is behind this I am? This. We can call it emptiness. Whatever we want to call it, doesn't matter. This, who has no boundary, no support, without light and darkness. This. And from this, whoever is moving and acting and doing whatever is doing is moral. From this emptiness and nothingness, whatever you move, whatever you speak, whatever you act is moral. This I want to call higher consciousness. From this space of nothingness, this, you can't call it zero, but from this zero, if you are speaking, if from this zero you are acting, if with this zero you are angry, is Tao. With this nothingness you are screaming on someone, is morality. So whenever you have to check that I am doing really moral thing or not, because everywhere morality is so different. Every country has its own morality. So if you will solve what is moral, real moral by mind, that's going to be very confusing more and more. Because mind is solving morality means which is coming from no mind. So let's check again. Whenever you have to check it, what is really moral? Check who is doing moral. If your intention is nice, whatever you are doing, and I want to clear it again. Good intention means no intention. Only no intention is the good intention. If you are doing any action from no intention, it's moral. Thank you.
Thank you, Yahu, for this beautiful practice. जो अभी आपने करवाया, मेडिटेशन कराया, थोड़ा सा ध्यान लगाया और स्पेस पे लेकर गए. आई एम श्योर ये ग्लिम्स बहुत आज के लिए स्पेशली बहुत फॉर्चुनेट लोग होंगे जिनको आज ये स्पेस मिला आपके थ्रू. नो माइंड, नो. And yes, we understand that whenever any intention comes from this space,
yes,
morality automatically just comes.
Yes. Yes.
It's there.
Yes. Is
Because
there?
maybe that's the way of the universe, or that's the way of nature. That's how it works.
Yes.
The basic nature is being moral, and then we
Yeah.
don't need any books.
You understood so
We don't
clearly.
need books or any religious texts for that to know and understand what morality is.
Thank you so much for understanding.
That actually means कि जितनी भी morality के नाम पे thought processes चलते हैं बहुत सारे लोगों के, क्योंकि कोई एक जने ने वो एक एग्जाम्पल सेट किया कि ये मोरालिटी है, जो इंसान ऐसा करता है वो बहुत सलीके का इंसान है, इसी तरह का उसको एक तरह से आपका जो गॉड है वो बन जाते हैं, मसीहा गॉड और एग्जाम्पल मेंटोर बन जाते हैं. सो एवरीबडी वांट्स टू बी लाइक हिम प्रोबेबली, और उसके बेसिस पे अपना दिमाग चलाने लग जाते हैं. और अपना दिमाग चलाते चलाते वो ये भूल जाते हैं कि किस इंटेंशन से ये किसी ने ये काम किया, लेकिन अपनी इंटेंशन में बहुत सारा एग्रेशन भी आ गया होगा, बहुत सारा कंपटीशन भी आ गया होगा, बहुत सारी जेलसी भी आ गई होगी, और उस इंटेंशन से वो आगे, उस भाव से वो आगे काम करते जा रहे हैं. एंड that is when the problem comes
Yes.
in the morality zone.
Give you one example, Gitanjali, because I know your life. So you went in your meditation and you see your godliness. Yeah. And by this godliness, you are watching your family member as a God. Oh, my son is God, my daughter is God, my mom is God. But with this realization, first you realize who you are, then. And one person who is just reading things, books, and saying, yeah, my husband is God, everybody is God, every particle is God. It's mental.
True.
So even it
That's
look
very
like, wow, she's so good, but actually not.
मन का भाव कुछ और है, और बाहर सिर्फ सिखा सिखाया भाव जो है वो दिखाई देता है. तो मन का जो भाव है, जो इंटेंशन जो है वो गलत है, लेकिन बाहर की जो डीड्स है वो हो रही है, तो वो कहीं कहीं पे भी मैच ही नहीं करता. इट्स लाइक अ क्रॉस गोइंग इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन.
One thing I want to share, one who are in the our talk, just do one exercise for 1 week. One exercise. Every morning wake up and just pray for yourself that whatever intention I have with others should go. I want to meet people. I want to share my love. I want to meet people just with no intention. No, it's possible. It's possible that you have no intention to meet anybody. No hidden intention, zero. And then meet. Try for 7 days.
No, be it so-called good or bad, no intentions, just
Both are gone.
meet.
Yes. Pure water means nothing mixed, not a sugar or salt. Both are sweet. Both are going to water impure. As your nice intention is also not a nice intention. Only zero intention. And do it for 7 days. Pray to existence. Let me go all my intention for what I am doing. And then let things happen through you. Spontaneously. You became medium of God. You became medium of existence. Whatever is coming, I will do it. And then only 7 days, do it, 7 days. And after 7 days, you will never go in any intention, because this is going to be so tasty, so sweet, so beautiful. You will never go in any good intention also. Your good intention. And good intention is very, very complicated. For any other person, saving India is a good intention. For Pakistani people, killing Indian is a good intention. So good intention is very complicated. It depends what mind you have, what conditioning you have. So let's clean all. or
with different people.
bad boy.
It's in with different people.
Sorry.
तो इसका मतलब जो कहते हैं कि चोरी, दगाबाजी और लोग चीटिंग करते हैं, धोखेबाज हैं और कभी कभी कुछ जरूरत से ज्यादा गुस्सा भी दिखाते हैं, तो दिस डज नॉट मैटर until and unless it is coming from that place.
Yes. Let's try 7 days. Only 7 days. Some
To
people
me
are
it looks
very sweet, but we
to
see
me it
their
looks
intention is not good. Some people are so angry to you, but you love them because you know their intention is something different. Even they are shouting. But one step more behind. No intention. Just be the instrument of God. Put your all intention aside that I don't know, and then do it for 7 days. But I don't know why I'm doing, and just pray that I'm going to clean my all intention.
I जो मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि जब हम इस स्पेस में जब पहुंच जाते हैं, तो ये सब जो मैं बिहेवियर की बात कर रही हूँ, चोरी, चिकारी, एग्रेशन, गुस्सा, शायद कहीं ना कहीं गो एंड गॉन हो जाते हैं, निकल ही जाते हैं हम में से.
कौन चोर नहीं? Police who are saving us are thief. How can you know who is thief and who is really honest? It's so hard. Only one way I have found in my life. If your action is coming from your true nature. One day maybe we will talk about the true nature. If your action and your speech and everything is coming from your true nature, it is the only thing you are going. That's why we all what we make moral, the action done by true nature. All morality made by Muhammad, Krishna, Ram, Buddha, Mahavira. We write how a no intention person act, and we write in the book and we make a moral book.
और उसको
But
फॉलो
now we
करते
are
रहे, रट्टे के जैसे, बस रट्टा मार और आगे निकलता.
yes.
But that's like
So
no
now
good to
going
any.
to deep.
और ऐसा भी कहा जाता है कि चोर कौन नहीं है, हर इंसान चोर है. किसी ना किसी तरह की चोरी तो हर इंसान करता है. तो अगर कोई किसी को कुछ करता है, दगाबाजी
कबीर
और
चोर थे,
गुस्सा, गुस्सा
चोरी
नहीं,
करते थे.
हर अंदर अगर दबा के बैठो तो गुस्सा तो है ही है.
Yes. There is one way, only one way to know yourself. Only no other way up to now in the whole human kingdom. We have not found second option. Only option to do morality. Be Buddha, and whatever you are going to do is moral. No book is going to help us. No technique is going to help us. No experience is going to help us. You open your all chakra and then you are going to do the shit. It's possible. Only possibility to know yourself. Who are you? And then whatever you are going to do, it is moral.
Somebody is wanting to be in the live video. I think you're already here.
If anybody want to do something moral, only thing we need to do, let's know who we are.
And how do we reach there?
Just
How do we reach there?
we can arrive. We can do any day another topic about this, how to arrive home, how to arrive in our true nature, what we can do. But this urge is enough. If we have this urge that we want to know who we are, is going to happen. Existence gives what we really urge. God is going to give you. And humanity is waiting for you. Whoever on the online, I want to tell you, whole humanity is waiting for your morality, and your morality, not your bookish morality. And then you will know, all I know who are watching me, and you, Gitanjali, they all are spiritual. They all are amazing. I want to invite you, let's be really moral, and let's make a really beautiful human kingdom in this earth. And one seed is enough to make this whole earth green. One Gitanjali, one Yahoo, one Nupam, one Namit, anybody who is here is enough. Is enough. If we can make our seed flower, enough.
Very beautiful.
And there is 7%, is too much. There is 7% watching us, is too much. 7 Buddha on the earth is enough. And I'm praying for you that we all are can do really true moral, true nature, and let's be there and let's share. If I can do, then you can do too. We can inspire the whole humanity for true morality.
It's very beautiful. Very beautiful message. I would really like to thank you, Yao, for being here today. I don't know, it's like a blessing for everyone. And Yao said, even I would want to practice this practice of doing things with no intention.
No intention.
Absolutely no intention. I'm sure it's a very beautiful practice. I try doing it whenever Yahoo had asked me, and I tried doing it, and it's a beautiful feeling. And I urge everyone else also to practice it again and again till it becomes, or it just settles down into your own being. And that's where this true morality, the ethics, they come automatically.
Yes.
They just come.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Yahoo. Any other message?
Only
Anything?
is prayer. Pray, just pray for yours. Pray every morning. Woke up and pray. To the whole day, I'm going to love others. I'm going to do for others with no intention. Actually, it is called donation, dan. When you do something and you don't know that you did it. Use this power. Use this immense powerful tool what is given by everybody. You are sick, you are lie down. It doesn't matter. That you can do anytime. It is pray. Pray from heart. That today I want to be with no intention. If anybody has learned Reiki Visena, just for today, let's use this tool. Just for today, we are going to live. We are going to share our all heart, all action with no intention. This humanity is waiting for your Buddha nature. Whole humanity is watching you with a hope that these people can be intentionless, true nature, true moral. Let's set a new example again, as Buddha and Mahavira and Krishna set an example for us. We can set a new example for new humanity. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ravi. We end the live session. But whatever you have discussed about today are going to stay with us, all of us today. Thank you so much for being here.